Up guys, it's me, Mr. Coast.intelligent. I have a new account. Please make sure you like, you subscribe. Today guys, I'm doing interview. I'm here with
Siphosethu Mzuku.
Siphosethu kusemve. Like ngizabuza nje imibuzo emithathu yabo. What is your favorite car?
BMW.
Okay. Which trade are you doing?
11.
Trade 11. Okay. Since bawe namfethu ngibe kahle full uniform yabo. Babies nazo. Just get babies. So when I'm face man yabo. Ngese man yabo siqonda ba like bayazikhetha nyani babies ukubona yabo cause le camera namvele interview nenza yabo. Like ukugwaba aba testing yabo. So I process needs mas nevalo nxa fika babies. Awuzweki babies wena. Okay, so nimbize ne. Samuel. Oh hi.
Hi.
Njani?
Yaphela njani?
I'm the right la way. So okay. Umjita yabo. Usiphoka uba Siphosethu lo mjita yabo. Athi hold here man nona ya man. Uthembile kodwa. Trade ukuthi abasha kakhulu. Okay. So what's up? Is ngapha face Zap. What's up mfisi? Kwenzekani?
Bra.
What's up?
Hayi ngakadi khona lo. Discherry.
Balibuthe nje mfethu umsem nje girls.
Wanibuyiki kodwa kalo bra bayazilungiselanga yintombini mangoku.
Ulungiselele nini mhlawumbe? Okay. Unzani ke yena? Come rate out of 10. Unika ba? 8. Shit, uputhu. Uthumshana bani?
Hayi ngayeke umuntu perfect bra.
So fit. Itype yakho yena. Thena umoyika nje nanku nje mfethu. Okay, Amion.
Hi.
Jita, since ba? Type yakho.
He's a short king.
But yami ubufuthane nje lelo.
Yama ngabo bona. Short king.
Okay. So mfethu ne. Hey guys, I'm back yibo. Ndime nomnye umtita fresh ngo. Ityana, the whole tyana. Yabo ke tyana, amatyana woyiki. Zanga athe esuthwini phinde weekend encinci. Kodwa songoyiki ngalamini. Man. Sesiba face lapha nobani?
Ngikhazima igama kodwa.
Khazim la bras. Khazim la mthe like. Sesiba wena Khazim namfethu lapha esikela man. Usiva njani ba like we grade 12 uyabo? Unjani grade 12 like?
Grade 12 so far kona nekhalazela ngaphandle baya. Kona kwenziwa but then kona ilawe mina yabo.
See okay. Sesiba wena Khazim la wena mfethu mangithiwa amajita angamajani aphethe amantombi.
Sure.
Yayingqina nawe loyi.
Mina andino sibaphethe but then ngiyahluka ba okay ngibani wena nani. Awuza nantoni?
Osagents bras. Osagents. Sesiba wena Khazim wena mfethu man yabanga ubizela ibaby ubungayi approach ani.
Sure.
So nathi please come here. Sesiba Khazim hoyi. That like yeah man. Khosa nje. Hi. Right?
Great to join.
I'm the right la way so mfana lo yabo Khazim mina Khazim holiye. Raise up there. 5 seconds.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Njani?
Yaphela njani?
Naphila nami. Igama ngikhazini namusa.
Anathi.
Okay, Anathi. Sengicela ubuza Anathi ke ngoku.
Mic ajuice.
Tithe makini okay sure. So Anathi ngicela ubuza ke ngoku. Ulalo nje uvuko nje. Wacho. Senithanda kwa ismile sakho iso. Senje like cela ubuza ke ngoku. What do you prefer mjitini?
Like why buza?
Like I wanna see about okay. If you had to rate me out of 10.
So. Hey, trend vet. Mama tried ne. Right my sis. Since ba wena ko mfethu like come rate out of 10 nika ba
8.5.
8.5. You go 1.5.
1.5? No.
Gotta keep it to you, okay? So when I say nika like but just like let's come to side.
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Why?
Because firstly, I got type yam.
Okay. Okay, hard lag ne. We'll try ne.
Go ahead.
So I'm face.
Bulela.
So bras. Why ching ba? I ching ba? Kanye ku Facebook.
Awani ngisibaniso ayichi kodwa ngafumana Facebook yabona umkhazini la.
Khazini ba?
Jokhula.
cousin Dohuwe guys ku Facebook. Add. Say my man. Okay, so ngesikhangele nabanye kodwa. What's up guys? So I'm back, yebo. Ndime nomnye umuntu ke umntom sithonga igama mfethu. Asoms. Listen, Asoms. So naso mthwa i-whites zasifumana i-babies engqina loyi.
Ya ndingqina zayifumana.
Karate wena mhlawumbe ucala i-babies undawoni wena mfethu.
4.
4. Ntokazinika u-10.
Hayi nxake ndibuthundu mina ndikhobukhali.
Okay, so ndakuplasela kwam 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So jenza lula man leyo mfethu. Simple, please come here. Yabona ke lo? Usimple wena. Baby lapha esigelebeke fair. Mnano beke entswemu ke lo. Raise here up boy.
Yela ubeke inswembu. Ubeke phansi.
Beke phansi.
Sibashayi.
Ayibo singabishayi unje.
About me, about me, about me, about me. What did you hear about me? What did they say about me? What did you hear about me?